What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for February 10th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about the incoming cold, chilly temperatures headed towards the south for this weekend. And as we take a look first here, we're going to take a look at the water vapor imagery. And you can see the system where the mouse is circling at up here, the system in northeast Canada, that was the one that caused the severe weather here Wednesday evening across the North Shore. So, with that lifting out northeast, instead of coming off the eastern seaboard and heading out towards the Atlantic, is moving northeast into Canada. So, what that has done, excuse me, that has stalled the southwest flow here across the United States down towards southeast Louisiana. So that's why we've been clouding, and also that's going to set the stage for possibly some rain chances today and early on Saturday as impulses move along this southwest flow. But what we're waiting for here is the system here across Texas, as you can see, and you can see the strong northerly flow digging down behind it. That is the incoming hawk slash chilly air that's going to be arriving for the south and southeast United States for the weekend. All right, you guys, let's go back to here and we're going to take a look at the models just to see the timing of this upper system and when this hawk will be arriving. All right, you guys, we already have cool conditions outside here across southeast Louisiana. As you can see, valid for this morning, the trough across Texas. As I put this into motion, you can see as we go into Saturday morning, this trough settles in right on top of southeast of Louisiana, Mississippi, the Arkansas area. This is where the strong hawking winds and cold weather is going to be for southeast Louisiana is on Saturday, as this trough is going to be situated right over us. We will more than likely fail to get out of the 40s here across the South Shore of Lake Pontchartrain for tomorrow. And as we move this along into time and starts to head into Sunday, you can see this trough starts to move to our east here across southeast Louisiana. We still going to be cold Sunday. It's still going to be cold and chilly. The sun should start to come back out. So please still be prepared for hawkery conditions on Sunday, but the temperatures will start to warm up into the 50s. So it will get better as the weekend goes on, but Saturday, that cold that cold weather is going to be here. Matter of fact, before we leave from here, I want to clear this off, you guys. We're going to take a quick look at the temperatures. All right, you guys, let's go. All right, this will be roughly about what today is, the 10th, Friday. So let's go for Saturday. All right, you guys, this will be 9 a.m. in the morning. And as you can see, we are already in the low to mid 40s here. This will be for Saturday. I'm sorry. We're already in the low to mid 40s here across the South Shore and North Shore areas and along the Mississippi Gulf Coast. And as we move this along further into time on Saturday, as you can see, we may briefly get into the low 50s here, but that's going to be a far stretch. If we do get into the low 50s, I will be surprised. But for the most part, I'm expecting a cold, hawkery wind with temperatures staying in the 40s here across southeast Louisiana. And that should start to get better as we move along into Sunday. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Expect it to be a cold and chilly one for this weekend across the south and southeast. Everyone be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.